Krispy Kreme. 2012. Yeah. We back up in this. Y'all already know.
This is my dad doing a firework.
I am the baddest of them all. If you ain't got money, then I don't mess with y'all. Y'all think I don't get girls, cause I ain't very tall.
This is all.
If she see my stacks, I bet you that she calls. You know that I am the baddest of them all. If you ain't about money, then I don't mess with y'all. Y'all think I don't get girls, cause I ain't very tall. If she see my stacks, I bet you that she calls. I had to fight my whole life. I could beat you up, even if you had
that's my dad doing fireworks. No shoes, no pants.
Even if you had infinity knives, I would punch you up into the air like a kite.
Okay, we're doing one more fight.
Sleep with the night light, cause you're scared of the dark, cause you stink like a fart. Well, I light your fartum fire with my rhymes. You think I won't? I do it all the time. I bet I got more money than Jay-Z. Compared to me, Jay-Z is lazy. Plus Beyonce thinks that I'm cute. It's okay, Beyonce, I think you're cute.
Get away, hit me in the face.
I'm made
I'm
out
bleeding.
with so
I'm
many
bleeding.
girls.
I'm bleeding.
Made
I'm
out
bleeding.
with every girl in the world. I might look small, but
hit me in the nose.
I don't care if you're big, I'll fight you. Well, I do know that
It hit me in the nose, and then my nose
the baddest of them all. If you ain't about money, then I don't mess with y'all. Y'all think I don't get girls, cause I ain't very tall. If she see my stats, I bet you that she calls. I am the baddest of them all. If you ain't about money, then I don't mess with y'all. Y'all think I don't get girls, cause I ain't very tall. If she see my stacks, I bet you that she calls. I have 400 cars. I have 400
These diamonds don't have no sound.
Guitars.
It don't have no sound.
I have 400 houses. I have 400 mouses and 400 houses. Bet you I can dance better.
I know, and
than
it's just one of those ones that we just did.
You don't know 2 plus 2. It's 4. It's 4. Now go and shut the door, cause nobody wants to see your face no more. I'm tough as nails. You're slower than a snail. I beat up every single person in jail.
That was it. That's really it.
You to try and punch me.
Yes,
My
it did
face
move.
is so hard
It's
you
coming
say,
out.
ouch, you crunched me. I fought 2
That was
lions
it. That
and
was
one.
it.
I
That's
don't
just what
even
they give
carry
people
a
now.
gun, but I never run.
No, that isn't
But I
it.
never run. But I
That's just
never
what they give people now.
But I never run.
Give people defective things that don't even
I am the baddest of them all.
It's
If
so
you
crazy.
ain't about money, then I don't mess with
I don't
y'all.
even know what they
Y'all
giving
think
these
I
people.
don't get
We paid
girls,
$100
cause
for
I
that
ain't
one
very
firework.
tall. If she see my stats,
And that's
I
all
bet
they
you
give.
that she calls, you know that I am
Oh,
the baddest of them all. If you ain't about money, then I don't mess with y'all. Y'all think I don't get girls, cause I ain't very tall. If she see my stats,
Shout out
I
to
bet
Tyler's
you that she
iPod
calls.
Mobile 2 and 1. Tyler's iPod Mobile. Shout out to them 1 and 2.
I already told you back up in this
Car shaking and
2012 to infinity.
Shout out to Tyler's iPod Mobile 2, who inspired me to make this video. No! Shout out to him, because he's a cool person. And he inspired me to make some videos. So he inspired me to make some videos about fireworks, because he did the one with sparklers. And that's it.
Mommy!
Okay. Bye.
Mommy! Where's the basketball?
Whip the soda, whip the crack, make the